Welcome students. Sample paper 23-24 solutions, accountancy paper plus 2 4 mark questions. Question number 21. Adikshogdi Limited Company was registered with an authorized capital of 20 lakhs divided into 2 lakh equity shares of 10, each payable rupees 3 on application, 6 on allotment, including 1 premium and balance on call. The company offered 80,000 shares for public subscriptions. All the money has been duly called and received except allotment and call money on 5,000 shares held by Manish and call money 4,000 shares held by Alok. Money shares were forfeited and out of these 3,000 shares were reissued at 9 per share as fully paid up. Show share capital in the books of the company. Also prepare notes to accounts. Solution: extract of balance sheet. Name of the company, Adikshogdi Limited Company. Particulars, notes number, amount. Equity and liability, shareholders funds. A, share capital, notes number 1, 7,78,000 rupees. Total 7,78,000. Notes to accounts. Note number 1, share capital. Authorized capital 2 lakh, equity shares of 10 each 20 lakhs. Issued capital 8,000, equity shares of 10 each 8 lakhs. Subscribed capital, subscribed and fully paid up capital 74,000, equity shares of 10 each 7,40,000. Subscribed but not fully paid up 4,000, equity shares of 10 each 40,000. Less calls in arrear 8,000, therefore 32,000. Add forfeiture of 2,000 shares at 3 per share 6,000. Totally 7,78,000 share capital. Notes number 2. Forfeiture Journal of Manish. Share capital account debtor 50,000. Securities premium account debtor 5,000. To calls in arrear account 40,000. To share forfeiture account 15,000. Forfeiture of 5,000 shares for non-payment of allotment and final call money. Reissue journal. Share capital account debtor 20,000. Share forfeited account debtor 3,000. Totally share capital account debtor 30,000. Forfeited account debtor 6,000 to capital reserve 6,000. So, number of shares reissued by total number of shares forfeited into forfeiture credit minus forfeiture debit. That is, out of 5,000 shares, 3,000 shares were reissued and forfeited credit is 15,000, whereas debit is 3,000. Therefore, transfer to capital reserve 6,000. Calls in arrear Alok. Alok's shares were arrear 4,000 into 2, 8,000. Question number 22. Sun and Kiran are partners sharing profit and losses equally. They decided to dissolve their firm. Assets and liabilities have been transferred to realization account. Pause necessary journal entries for the following. A. All partners are agreed that the process of realization at the time of dissolution will be accomplished by Sun, for which he will be paid 10,000 along with the amount of expense which amounted to 2% of total value realized from the assets on dissolution. Some assets were sold for cash at a cumulative value of 12 lakhs and the remaining were taken over by creditors at a valuation of 3 lakhs. Then B. Deferred advertisement expenditure account appeared in the books 28,000. Out of the stock 1 lakh 20, Kiran took over one third of the stock at a discount of 25% and 50% of the remaining stock was took over by a creditor of 30,000 in full settlement of his claim. Balance amount of stock realized at 25,000. D. An outstanding bill for repairs and renewal of 3,000 was settled through an unrecorded asset which was valued at 10,000, balance being settled in cash. Solution. Journal entries in the books of Sun and Kiran. Realization account debtor 40,000 to Sun's capital account creditor 40,000, being remuneration and expenses payable to Sun. That is 12 lakhs assets realized, 3 lakhs, 15 lakhs into 2% plus remuneration 10,000, totally 40,000. Sun capital account debtor, Kiran capital account debtor, each 14,000 to deferred expenditure 28,000. So, deferred expenditure shared equally. Bank account debtor 25,000 to realization account debtor 25,000. Balance of stock realized in cash. Kiran's capital account debtor 30,000 to realization account debtor 30,000. 1/3 of 1,20,000 took over by Kiran at a rate of 25%. 40,000 into 25% gets 10,000. So discount pochino we get 30,000 rupees. Bank account debtor 7,000 to realization account debtor creditor 7,000. Being unrecorded asset of 10,000 realized after payment of outstanding bill of 3,000.